How to make photography website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this white button, get started. And now squarespace.com gonna ask you what's your site about. This helps Squarespace guide your experience. So basically we need to create photography website, and you can already see popular topics, photography first one here. So I'm just gonna choose this and click next. What do you want to do with your website? So basically you need to answer about your main purposes of your website, what are you gonna do with your website, what do you want to do. So basically here you need to choose whatever you want, whatever you need. I'm gonna choose collect donations, maybe build community, and publish a blog or other media. Obviously we need to publish our photos. Next, how would you like to start building your website? So guys, you have two ways how to build your website. You can build your website with AI technology, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. And I'm gonna choose this one because I really like browse hundreds of ready-made templates, then choose one to customize. I don't really like AI technology, so I'm gonna choose this one. So here you can see photography templates, 26 of them, and basically you need to choose the templates that you think is the best for you. Here is you can manage the search of templates. You can choose a type of website, you can unselect these donations, you can choose the topic of your website. Basically we already chose photography. So guys, just choose whatever you want here. I'm gonna choose this one. I really like this template, Mineta. And here you can view demo site and change color presets. You can see now it's like black. You can make it more, no, it's on some purpose it's only black, I don't know. But anyway, I really like this black color. I'm sure that some colors on another page is different by clicking those. Oh, here you can see, now you can see. But I really like this black side. I'm gonna choose this one, then start with this design. Now we need to wait until everything loads. So by the way, creating your own site on squarespace.com is the best option in my opinion, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, maybe know Java, C++. You just need to use a website to create another website, to create your own website. I think this is the best about squarespace.com. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website. It's very easy to create your own website. Now you need to choose the name for your website, site title. So I'm gonna name it the best photos, then click next. And here you can see some tips how to edit your site, edit pages, create pages, style your site. I don't need those tips, I know it, but you can use these tips. So now you can edit this template, the site, by clicking this edit button right here. But before, you need to check this out: main navigation, pages, your pages. You have work page, about page, contact page. You can add new page right here, or you can delete some of them. You can change the order of pages. You can set this up how you want. Next one, you can change styles. We need to reload this page, something went wrong, not a big deal. Oh, sorry guys, a bad connection. So here you can change your site styles, the themes, fonts, colors, buttons, for example fonts. You can change those. You can have plenty of fonts here, font packs. You can change the size of your text right here. You can see colors, buttons, themes. Choose whatever you want here. This looks pretty interesting. Exactly this font, I really like this. So by the way, you need to save your progress as frequently as possible. This is a useful tip from me. Next, you need to edit this website to get the exactly site you want. So how to edit? You just need to choose the section you want to edit. This blue borders you can see right here. This is borders of your sections. So here is next section you can see, and this is footer. So for example, you can remove the whole section by clicking this button, remove. Oh, and you can undo this action. You can add new section by clicking this button. For example, brand, your brand. And of course you can edit this section by clicking this button. You can move whatever you want, move the text, change the text, just double click on this text. And now you can write whatever you want, like the best photos. Looks very nice, but we need to change size because okay, it doesn't matter. Of course you can delete this weird image. You can add new one by clicking this button, add block. So by clicking this button you can add text, button, image, video, audio, basically any content you want. For example, image, yes, and you can place it right here. You can click this button and now you can upload file from your computer, select it from library, from Squarespace library, or browse stock images. For example, I'm gonna I don't know, choose this photo, add image, and here it is. So also you can toggle to mobile view to check how your website is looking in the mobile devices, and you can edit this mobile view. Obviously you can delete these photos. You can change them, edit gallery. You can see, change the order, edit image, add description, add new image right here, delete some of them. So guys, in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. And when you're done editing your website, you need to save this website, then click exit. And to publish this site, you need to get a subscription, upgrade your account. Now you can select the plan. You can have personal one, business one, most popular, basic and advanced. So when you done with choosing your subscription plans, you will get option to publish your site. So basically, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.